Hey everyone, how you doing? Ari Shah here, and we're gonna show you how the OVR, over the reality app, works. We're gonna go on a treasure chest hunt, open that treasure chest, and receive free OVR for doing so. OVR is a super cool platform. If you haven't checked out our interview with the COO and co-founder Diego Tommaso, do not hesitate to check it out in the link below. But today we're gonna show you how you can get free OVR. If you haven't yet, download the app OVR. It is a digital real estate application that deals with augmented reality. Not only do they do auctions for land, you can do remote and local live events, but you can also earn free OVR tokens by using this augmented reality. That's similar to when the hype was crazy and we're using POKEMONGO. Same thing, except I believe the utility has taken a step further. The digital real estate trend has really pushed this to go crazy. I know it sounds crazy, but what would you rather own? Digital land or physical land? Put that in the comments below. You know, it's a new day and people disagree in today's day and world. Some people say, what's a better investment? Buying a house right now or investing into crypto? Comment below, let me know what you think. But guys, I hope you enjoy this OVR little demo and definitely try it out. It's a great way to get a little exercise every day and you get money for it. Nothing better than to walk and make money, right? All right, take care guys. And as always, thank you for sharing your time with me. Nothing's more valuable than your time. I'll see you next time with some more gems.
We never show emotions, we just keep it down, down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Oh yeah, just let go. Ooh. things, tell me